All right, so this is what it looks like when these guys start eating. Here you go, babies. Sorry. Get there. Ooh, sorry. Sorry for the up and down camera angle, everybody. There you go, baby. And one more. There we go. And meanwhile, while these guys are eating, these are the ones who are starting to wake up. They've got a little bit longer until they can start eating big kid food. And they're getting neater at this because the last time they had food. Oh, never mind. Spoke too soon. Oh, yeah. Right in the paws. I love this stuff. So we blend it. So it's puppy food mixed in with some milk, doggy milk, some water, put it in the blender, and it makes it this nice creamy consistency that's perfect for little ones like this. Very easy to do. I actually learned about this particular way of doing it on a video, YouTube video. So thank you to that guy for doing that because this made things so much easier. What are you guys doing? Hey! Hey, little one. There you go, get some more. And you too. And you too. Here, baby. Oh yeah, they've got food everywhere. It's on their heads. It's on their paws. I don't even know how we got food there, but it's there. Oh yeah, look at her. She's got more food on her than in her belly. But this is the fun of feeding puppies the mash. Hope you enjoyed.